Today I've been running errands and I'm doing the decluttering of my home. So boxes full of a lot of nice things, great stuff, sheet sets, shoes, all types of stuff. So what I'm getting ready to do is take this stuff to the rescue mission. So I'm going to load it in my car and we're going to take it to the rescue mission or the Salvation Army, one of the two, just to get these boxes out of here because it's starting to become more clear. But I know I'll be doing this several times because some stuff I don't mind to give away, but some stuff I'll save, like bigger things, for the actual yard sale. So let's get this stuff in the car. One box in, next one out. Number 2 in, and we're off to the mission. I forgot these shoes, so I'm putting these in there and these as well. Those are going. So, alright, stay tuned for the declutter vids coming on my channel, decluttering all areas of my home. So stay tuned for that if you're new to the channel. Single mom versus a fixer-upper. Single mom starting all over after 18-year marriage, starting over in a city and a town, a city and a state where I know no one, fixing up a fixer-upper and doing a lot of work myself. So stay tuned. Join the family by subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back. Later, Gators.